Good morning all of you. Class 11 chapter 13 index number. In previous class we discussed about simple index number. Now weighted index number. There are two methods of weighted index number. Number first weighted average method. Number second weighted aggregative method. So weighted index number. Weighted index number. So there are two methods of weighted index number. Number first weighted average method. Number second weighted aggregative method. So there are two methods of weighted index number, weighted average method and weighted aggregative methods. We will discuss one by one. So number first weighted average method. So formula for weighted average method, summation RW upon summation W. RW upon W, R निकालना आपको आता है P1 upon P0 into 100, W into हम कर देंगे weight upon W. So formula for weighted index number, summation RW upon W. W means weight. So goods. Question number 1, goods, wheat, rice, milk, ghee, sugar, weight 40, 30, 15, 10, 5, price of 2004 means base year price. So ये आपका क्या हो जाएगा P0. So price of wheat 100 per quintal in 2004, rice 200 per quintal, milk 5 rupees per liter, ghee 8 rupees per kg and sugar 1 rupee per kg. And in 2014 wheat 200 per quintal, rice 800 per quintal, milk 16 rupees per liter, ghee 40 rupees per kg and sugar 6 rupees per kg. So 2014 price means P1. So firstly we calculate R. Formula for R, P1 upon P0 into 100. P1 means 200 upon 100, 200 upon 100 into 100. तो कितना आ गया 200. Then 800 upon 200 into 100, 400. 16 upon 5 into 100, 320. 40 upon 8 into 100, 500. And 6 upon 1 into 100, 600. So R आ गया आपका. Now RW. RW means R into weight. RW means R into weight. RW 200 into 40, 8,000. 400 into 30, 12,000. 320 into 15, 320 into 15, 320 into 15, 4,800. 500 into 10, 5,000. And 600 into 5, 3,000. ठीक है. अब हम टोटल ऑफ RW 12, 8, 20, 25, 28, 28,000 plus 4,800, 008, 32,800. So summation of RW 32,800 and summation of weight 40, 50, 70, 80, 100. So 32,800 upon 100, 328. क्लियर. तो हमने सबसे पहले क्या किया, R निकाला P1 upon P0 into 100, then R into W means R into weight, then summation of RW, then put the formula summation RW upon summation W. तो आपका क्या फॉर्म आ जाएगा 32,800 upon 100, that is 328. Number second, weighted aggregative method. There are three methods under weighted aggregative method. Number first, Lespier's method. Number second, Pasture method. And number third, Fisher's method. So formula for Lespier's method, P1 Q0 upon P0 Q0 into 100. Q मतलब quantity. So new price into base year quantity, base year price, base year quantity into 100. Pasture method, पे क्या आ गया Q1 यहाँ पुरानी क्वांटिटी थी, यहाँ न्यू क्वांटिटी. नाउ फिशर्स मेथड P1 Q0 अपॉन P0 Q0 इंटू P1 Q1 अपॉन P0 Q1 अंडर रूट इंटू 100 रूट के बाहर. सो देयर आर 3 फॉर्मूले. नंबर फर्स्ट P1 Q0 अपॉन P0 Q0 इंटू 100. नंबर सेकंड पास्चर मेथड P1 Q1 summation P1 Q1 upon summation P0 Q1 into 100. and Fisher's method P1 Q0 upon P0 Q0 into P1 Q1 upon P0 Q1 मतलब दोनों का मिक्सचर अंडर रूट इंटू 100 अलग से. क्लियर. नाउ न्यूमेरिकल calculate index number by Lex-Pierce method, Pasture method and Fisher's method. Number first, Lex-Pierce method. So formula for Lex-Pierce method P1 Q0 upon P0 Q0 into 100. So summation P1 Q0 means ये Lex-Pierce method है. P1 means base year current year price and Q0 means base year quantity. ये आपका P1, ये Q1, ये Q0 and P0. So P1 Q0 20 10 जा 200, 43 जा 120, 25 जा 100, 820 जा 160 and 42 जा 80. Then P0 Q0 means base year price and base year quantity. 10 10 जा 100, 35 3 जा 105, 35 जा 150, 20 10 जा 200 and 42 जा 80. Then summation of P1 Q0 and P0 Q0. So P1 Q0 summation of P1 Q0 635. Sorry, summation of P0 Q0 635 and summation of P1 Q0 660. Put the value in formula. P1 Q0 means 660 upon P0 Q0 means 635 into 100. So 660 upon 635. P1 Q0 upon P0 Q0. So 660 upon 635 into 100. That is 103.94. Clear? तो formula for Lex-Pierce method P1 Q0 upon P0 Q0 into 100. P1 Q0 total of P1 Q0 660 and total of P0 Q0 635. So 660 upon 635 into 100. So 66000 upon 635, that is 103.94. Now formula for P1 Q1 formula for Pasture. Now formula for Pasture method P01 equals to P1 Q1 upon P0 Q1 into 100. P1 Q1 means current year price and current year quantity. P1 Q1. So 20 into 25 500, 40 10 ja 400, 15 20 ja 300, 28 ja 160 and 45 ja 200. Now P0 Q1 base year price and new year quantity. Base year price and new year quantity. 25 into 10 250, 35 into 10 350, 30 into 15 450, 20 10 ja 200 and 45 ja 200, again 200. So P1 Q1 500 plus 400 plus 300 plus 160 plus 200, that is 1560, 1560. And P0 Q1 250 350 450 200 and 200, that is 1450. Now put the value in the formula. P1 Q1 1560 upon 1450 into 100. 15600 upon 145, that is 107.59. 107.59. Now last, Fisher's method. mixture of both Paasche method and Lespius method. So formula, so P1Q0 660, P0Q0 635 into P1Q1 1560 upon P0Q1 1450 under root into 100. Clear? So 660 upon 635 into 1560 upon 1450. So 660 divided by 635, 1.03 into 1560 divided by 1450, 1.07 into 100 baha. So 1.03 into 1.07, that is 1.1021 into 100. 1.1021 into 100, इसका रूट निकाला तो आ गया 1.05 into 100. सॉल्व किया तो आंसर कितना आ गया 105. क्लियर? So Fisher's method, P1Q0 upon P0Q0 into P1Q1 upon P0Q1 under root into 100. P1Q0 660, P0Q0 635 into P1Q1 1560 and P0Q1 1450 under root into 100. Divide किया 660 upon 635, 1.03. Then 1560 upon 1450, 1.07. Multiply किया 1.03 into 1.07, 1.10 into 100. रूट निकाला 1.1021 का 1.05 into 100, that is 10. Homework: calculate index number by Lespius method, Paasche method and Fisher's method. Items A, B, C, D. Quantity base year 6453. Price base year 10, 15, 8, 9. Quantity current year 8536 and new year price 12, 20, 16, 1. Calculate index number by Lespius method, Paasche method and Fisher's method. Stats complete. Thank you.